Circuit boards glowing, LEDs flashing bright, Arduino's humming, a digital delight. IoT connects, a network takes hold, data flows freely, a story unfolds. ASC, the electric heart beats strong, soldering irons heat where skills belong. Multi-tester probes uncover the truth, fixing the broken, restoring the youth of hydraulics, a magical art. From flickering lights to a broken screen, and he's got the answer, the solution keen. With steady hands and knowledge so deep, he diagnoses problems while others sleep. Anthropic wizardry, a skillful command, repairing the damage across the land. AAC, the electric heart beats strong, soldering irons heat where skills belong. Multi-tester probes uncover the truth, fixing the broken, restoring the youth of atomics, a magical art. Tiny components, a world in a case. Microcontrollers running at pace. Resistors and capacitors in perfect array, transforming the broken and making it play. IAC, the electric heart beats strong, soldering irons heat where skills belong. Multi-tester probes uncover the truth, fixing the broken, restoring the youth of electronics, a magical art. AC, the name you should know for electronic repairs, the place to go. IoT connects, a network takes hold, data flows freely, a story unfolds. ASC, the electric heart beats strong, soldering irons heat where skills belong. Multi-tester probes uncover the truth, fixing the broken, restoring the youth of hydraulics, a magical art. From flickering lights to a broken screen,